some basic instructions on how to register for the dental app via the careforteeth.co.uk website, and it's just like most other sites that you'll go onto. Enter your practice email address and your GGC number to register for the account. Try to remember your password. Once you're registered, you can update your biography. So you go into My Bio, and it's useful to have some idea on what you want to say about yourself, and you can cut and paste that in, and you can do the same with a photo which clearly has been manipulated here. You can also include your social media links if you have any. Once you've submitted your biography update, you then move on to practices, and then just add your practice details. It's important that you put the zip code in, your postcode, because that's how you'll be identified through the dental app itself by a user putting in your postcode. Add the practice phone numbers, the practice reception email address, and any of the practice social media all go in this section. When you put in the hours, put the practice opening hours in rather than your own individual hours, and if you work at a different practice, you can upload the practice details here as well. And if you move on, then you can simply delete them and upload the next practice. You can customize the app further by including some areas of interest that you may have or areas of expertise, and just have a little bit of detail regarding this, including some photos, before and after cases, or even we can now add YouTube links to explain to the patients what the process involves. So basically we'll do your advertising for you, or at least you can direct your patients to this area. And again, it should be relatively easy to upload new details and remove ones that are out of date. You can update your app details at any time by simply logging in using your password and using the procedure shown earlier. If you have any problems or have any suggestions, please get back to me using this email address.